Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're breaking down paid media strategy in a concise manner. By the end, you'll know how to effectively use paid media to boost your marketing. Let's get started. A paid media strategy uses paid channels like social media ads, search engine marketing, display ads, and sponsored content to promote your brand and reach your target audience quickly. Here's how to do it effectively. First, identify your objectives. Know what you want to achieve: brand awareness, traffic, leads, or sales. Clear goals guide your campaigns. For example, a new restaurant might want to increase local awareness. Next, define your target audience. Understand who you want to reach based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. For example, a fitness app might target young adults interested in health. Choosing the right platforms is crucial. Pick platforms where your audience spends time. A B2B software company might use LinkedIn, while a fashion brand might focus on Instagram. Create compelling ad content that grabs attention and has a strong call to action. For instance, an online bookstore might use vibrant images and a Shop Now button. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Decide how much to spend and choose how to pay: per click, per impression, or per acquisition. An e-commerce store might opt for PPC to drive traffic. Monitoring and optimizing your campaigns is essential. Use analytics to track metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates. Adjust based on performance data. A/B testing different ad versions helps you see which performs better. For example, a travel agency might test 2 images to see which gets more clicks. Retargeting involves showing ads to people who interacted with your brand but didn't convert. An online retailer might retarget users who abandoned their carts with a discount offer. Finally, regularly analyze and report on your campaign's performance. Compile and analyze data to refine future campaigns. In summary, a paid media strategy includes setting goals, targeting the right audience, choosing platforms, creating compelling content, budgeting, monitoring, A/B testing, retargeting, and analyzing performance. Thanks for watching. I hope this clarified paid media strategy. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay ahead in the digital age.